camera. Life is crazy. So I'm in Albany, New York right now. I left Wisconsin on Thursday. Today is Saturday, so Thursday. I left Wisconsin Thursday at 8 p.m. and drove 18 hours straight to New York through the snowstorm. Picked up the rest of the shit from my Brooklyn apartment, and then I did all this because I sold the van from a few videos ago. I haven't had it in forever, but it's a long story. But I finally got it sold to someone in Vermont. So I met them in Vermont today to sell the van, and then I stopped and got some of my favorite beer, some Alchemist beers, but also I got some ones from. I was just asking around, all caffeinated, all mouth diarrhea, talking to a bunch of people, and I asked for a few recommendations on some good Vermont beers, so I got a bunch of them. I'll show you the tub. I got an ice tub going in the bathroom right now, which is hilarious. You got to keep them cold. So I got all that beer in Vermont, and now I'm driving back to Wisconsin before I move to New Mexico. And right now I'm just hanging with Joplin in Albany. He just ate some dinner, and I'm drinking beers. I just thought I'd sit here and drink some beers with you. So this one's from Alchemist. They have the number 1 and 2 ranked beers in the entire world or nation or something. One of them's Heady Topper and the other one is Focal Banger. This is the Heady Topper. And if you love a real hoppy beer, this one is fucking delicious. It is electric. It's so good. I've slept a total of 2 hours maybe in the past like almost 3 days, and then also have only eaten a 6-inch Subway Veggie Delight and a macro bar in the past 3 days. Okay, boom, boom. You wanna go outside, Pook? Wanna go outside? Wanna go outside, Pook? Wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? I got my Joby going. Oh, room tour. We hit the red roof in. Oh, peep this. Alright. Take my shoes off. Take off my dingers. My poop? Is this my poop? I bet that sound was crazy the whole video. I just realized. Oh well, but first I thought this bomber was a Rothko because when you first get them, they're all plasticky, and then you wash them a million times and own them for a few years, and they get buttery soft, and they're almost better than the Alpha Industries bomber because the Alpha Industries bomber is too thick and too puffy, and it fits way too structured, and I don't really like it that much. But so I thought this was a Rothko one. Know what I'm saying? I got all this stuff from Experienced Goods in Brattleboro, Vermont, which every time I come to Vermont, I forget how fucking beautiful it is. And I want to come back already and spend more time in Brattleboro, but I'm in a rental and not one of my trucks because they're always in the shop. And this shit is stupid fire. And it's a medium. My old one was an XL, but the shit heats. All right, we got beer number 3, Lush, which is also Vermont. This was recommended by One of the just random citizens of Brattleboro, Vermont that I ran into at the co-op. Watching bobsledding. I can't zoom.
Looks like he's skidding a bit out of control. Lose his grip slightly.
My boy.
See him twirl and sing. Now all your pride and prancing. How much?
What's happening, y'all? So, we're fully packed up, moving down to New Mexico in the Bronco right now. Literally fully packed up. And I still have more shit. When my other truck is done getting fixed, I'm gonna drive that one from Wisconsin to New Mexico too. Or a family member will or something, but I'm gonna start the drive. I have no overdrive, but I drank a big glass of fuck it, so here we go, baby.
And you can find me standing there to catch you if you call.